can we turn water into energy? As we know, water H2O is made of two atoms of hydrogen and one of oxygen. If we find a way to separate these two atoms, hydrogen and oxygen, we will have hydrogen, which is highly flammable. And this where electricity comes in. So let's build a hydrogen generator.
First, I needed a metal rod, and I wrote the right dimension on it. I started cutting it off,
A few moments later.
and it really took me a long time.
2,000 years later.
But I was getting closer and closer. And it finally gets off.
For the second one, let me use my superpower to cut it off.
And now I started making the first electrode. Let me speed up the process for you. And we will do the same for the second electrode. Now I got a bottle and I started making two holes in it. And now let's make the hole for the tube, where we'll get the gas from. We have everything ready. Let's start assembling. Editor, give me some music. And now we got some salt and some water to make the solution. I started by pouring the water in the bottle. Then I put the salt to make the solution more conductive. Now let's see how the hydrogen generator looks like. Let's attach the charger to the hydrogen generator. I will speed up the process for you. And now the moment of truth comes. Let's go! It is working! I was very excited and happy about the results. But we have a little problem. The gas was producing, but it was not coming off the tube. I guess the pressure is low, that's why. And there is a lot of leaks. That's why I need to secure them. And now I started closing any possible leaks. And the goal was to increase the pressure so the gas can go out of the tube. Everything was going great until this happened. It exploded and the hydrogen generator got destroyed. I got so disappointed. We didn't even test anything yet. Let me explain to you what happened. The hydrogen and oxygen got trapped in the bottle. And as I got the lighter and I get it closer to the tube,
You all must be wondering, what will happen now? I guess we will build it again.
If you like science and engineering, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next project.